Unlike other products that provide either enterprise connectivity, edge connectivity, or equipment connectivity, SMARTUNIFIER can provide connectivity anywhere. SMARTUNIFIER provides comprehensive connectivity support and many different pre-configured communication protocols, file-based, database, message bus, and web services. With its decentralized architecture, SMARTUNIFIER provides virtually unlimited scalability. Unlike other platforms, no central communication infrastructure, like a message broker or database, is required. In SMARTUNIFIER, information models describe the communication-related data that is available for a device or IT system to be connected. With SMARTUNIFIER, connectivity is implemented by the configuration of communication channels, information models, and drag and drop mapping of data fields to be exchanged between different data sources and targets. SMARTUNIFIER provides high performance, low latency with its decentralized architecture consisting of small SMARTUNIFIER instances. With SMARTUNIFIER, it is possible to simultaneously provide access to equipment or device data, to manufacturing execution systems, MES, enterprise resource planning systems, ERP, applications in the cloud, and much more. SMARTUNIFIER. The world of connectivity. Connect anything to anywhere.